If you want to build a strong, aesthetic, and powerful body without going to the gym or spending on expensive equipment, then this video is made just for you, my friend. Because today, I'll be showing you a beginner-level calisthenics workout routine that you can do right at home to build a strong, powerful, dominating, and aesthetic body. And to those who believe calisthenics can't build strength, power, or an aesthetic body, I'll just say, ever heard of Bruce Lee? He was insanely strong and fast, known for his one-finger push-ups and his one-inch punch that the whole world admires. And he followed only calisthenics his entire life. That's how he built such strength and power. Even Cristiano Ronaldo and Chris Hemsworth, Thor, still do 60% of their workouts in calisthenics format. That's why they maintain strong, injury-free, aesthetic physiques. Calisthenics requires no gym equipment. You can work out from home or even while traveling. So if you want to transform your body from beginner level at home just like them, type "I'm ready" in the comments and stick with me till the end of this video because your life is about to change. In simple words, calisthenics is a form of strength training where you use your own body weight to boost strength, flexibility, and mobility and build a powerful, dominating body. It burns extra body fat and helps you gain lean muscle right from home. No gym memberships, no expenses. As a beginner, you just need to dedicate 30 minutes a day, at home, on your terrace, or in a park to build a muscular and dominating personality. And I'm not just talking in the air. Even the actor who played Batman used this same calisthenics workout to build his strong, powerful character. You can do it too by just following a few simple rules. Now, day 1 upper body workout. To build a massive upper body, you'll start with 3 push-up variations. First, normal push-ups, hands shoulder width apart, slow movements with full muscle tension, 12 reps, 4 sets. Second, incline push-ups, hands placed higher, leaning body down, again 12 reps, 4 sets. Third, decline push-ups, feet elevated, hands firm on the ground, slow reps, 12 reps, 4 sets. All of this will take less than 30 minutes and will begin to shape your chest and upper body like a warrior. Now day 2, dips on a chair. This is the best for triceps. Just grab a normal chair, set it in your room, and perform dips, 12 reps, 3 sets. Make sure you feel full tension in your triceps while doing this for clear results. Now, wide arm pull-ups. If you want a V-shaped Captain America body, do these pull-ups, 12 reps, 3 sets. It will build massive back and biceps. If you find it tough in the beginning, try Australian pull-ups in your home or nearby park. It'll activate your shoulders, biceps, and back, and prep your muscles for advanced workouts without injury. Now day 3, train your lower body. For cool, aesthetic legs, squats are the best. Start with normal squats. Keep your back straight, lower your body, and rise back up. This exercise shapes your legs and boosts strength. For 10x results, try jump squats. Only 12 reps and your breath will be gone. It builds leg strength, explosive power, and endurance. According to science, leg workouts also boost testosterone, helping you naturally build a dominant Sigma male aura from home. Do 4 sets. Then try advanced pistol squats, aka the 1 leg squats. It's tough. Do it while maintaining full balance on one leg. If you master this, I'll agree that you've truly achieved calisthenics mastery. It builds super strong legs and a dominating look. Now day 4, train your core and build abs. Just 2 workouts, but the results start from day 1. First, planks. Get into plank position. Keep your back straight, neck forward, core tight. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, 12 reps, 4 sets. You'll feel intense tension in your belly, a clear sign that fat is melting and abs are forming. Second, leg raises. Lie on your back and lift your legs to a 90 degrees angle. This activates lower abs and melts belly fat. Do 12 reps, 4 sets. You'll notice visible abs in a week. With this, your full calisthenics push-pull legs abs routine is complete. From day 5, repeat the push-pull legs abs cycle. With consistency, you'll notice massive strength gains in just days. Then increase your reps and sets. That's called progressive overload. Start with 10 to 12 reps, but push to 20 to 25 reps and 10 sets for real progress. Follow this routine consistently, with proper form, and I guarantee you'll build a cool, aesthetic body from home. But results only come if you do it consistently. On Sundays, rest, but the other 6 days, you must do at least 30 minutes of daily workouts. Crush the workout? That's just 40% of the game. The other 60% is diet. Without it, your body won't transform the way you want. So if you want a full calisthenics diet plan, drop a comment below and I'll make that the next video. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay consistent.